Dyno, I got your 68 Ford Mustang engine here on the dyno. Happens to be one of our little 347s. Makes some nice power. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. That's how motor fire is up. Wind properly set. Okay, we're ready to go. Oil pressure over 50. 169 degrees. And we're going to pull this to 5,800. That's the air gap intake on there. A lot of guys, when you're running these Mustangs, are only allowed RPMs or performers. You get a little more height, a little more air, a little more power. Nice motor. Good afternoon. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. Has to be a little 347. Just got done making about 480 horsepower, about 460 foot-pounds of torque. Each and every engine is custom built and ordered to design one at a time. So you order an engine, you're in line, and we'll be happy to build you anything you'd like. Hey, everybody have a great day. Peace.